Hello, today I would like to show you this vintage hobby battery charger. This is something that you can use for recharge different electronic devices. And as you can see, the manufacturer attached this different plug that you can choose from. And this is quite interesting unit. Here you can see the LED, and it's going to be indicating whether the current is flowing through the leads. So you will get the indication whether you are connected properly and the battery is taking charge. Here you've got ability to select the current by using this switch. It is made in Germany, the West Germany to be more precise. Here you can see the back plate. Sorry that I'm showing you that being torn apart, but it was glue and I have to fight with it. Here you can see, looks like it was dedicated for 4 AA batteries, and this is a constant current device, and it's quite interesting build, very simple. As you can see, here it was glue. We've got the input fuse, which is great. We've got a transformer, bridge rectifier, some filtering capacitors, and this is the most interesting part, because if you take a look, this is a 7805, which is a voltage regulator, but in this configuration it does not regulate voltage but acts as a current source. And to be honest, I had absolutely no idea that it is possible. I was pretty sure that you can act as a current source only on a variable one, that you can adjust the voltage. So that was quite news to me. It looks like it's working, and let me flip the board. It's looking absolutely amazing. Here you can see the mount is 982. You can try to calculate how old this is, and it is fully operational. And I love the smell of the board. It have like a acid from the bath, and yeah, it's looking absolutely great. So as you can see, back then you can start a company in a garage and you can start building hobby chargers and sell them. The power is on. We've got a multimeter, and if I'm going to hook up the leads, I'm in the voltmeter mode, DC, and if I'm going to probe it, let me reverse the polarity. As you can see, the voltage is extremely high, and I was sure that the regulator is short, but it's not. It's acting as a current source. So that was the correct behavior in that configuration. Let's try to check the current. In general, you would not do this that way, but since I know that transformer is unable to deliver a current that is going to blow my meter, we are going to connect it directly. So don't follow that unless you know what you are doing. And now I'm going to create a dead short, but since this is a current regulated device, everything will be safe. And here you can see that when I'm touching, it's showing the current flowing, And let's take a look at the regulation. 400 milliamp, and we are reading almost 360, which I would say is close enough. 23 milliamp. We read almost 23, which is close enough. And 150, we read 140. I'm fully happy with that. So as you can see, this extremely old vintage device with an extremely simple build is still working great. Here it is almost closed. As you can see, the transformer is held in place. Very good design. This is the enclosure, and if you would like to open it, because I was spending some time, those latch are going to go here. So to open it, you are going to grab something and push them. So you can clearly see those will latch here, those will latch there. Let's try to close it. And it's snapped nicely in place and looks absolutely amazing. Here you go, the Hobby West Germany charger delivering power. Everything looks perfect, and I'm going to put it back into the service. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.